Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be taking another look at enumerations. Now sorry I've been jumping around a bit in these last couple tutorials, but I'm just trying to hit the most important points, and sometimes I feel you need to learn maybe something about enumerations after you learn about properties and when we make those demo applications. So all that aside, what we're going to do is we're going to be passing an enumeration to a sub or a function. So let's go ahead and create a new project. We will select a Windows Forms application and we will call it passing enums. Okay, so we'll wait for that to load and we will go ahead and shrink this down a bit, and we will select the toolbox. We will add a combo box right here, let's see, right there, and we will add a button. So here's our combo box, and we'll add a button. Okay, so now we'll shrink this down some, close out of the toolbox, and we will make the button a little bit bigger. So we will set the name of combo box 1 to combo sports, and we'll go ahead and set the button name to button analyze, and we'll set the text to analyze sport. So in our combo box we're going to go ahead and come over here to the collections property. So here's items, and we need to add stuff to the collection. So we'll just add baseball, basketball, and football, and we'll go ahead and click OK. So now we will go ahead and create an event handler for analyze sport, and we'll just let that sit there for now. And let's go ahead and zoom in and create an enumeration. So private enum sports, and now what we're going to do is set the data type for that. So private enum sports as let's just do integer. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set baseball equals 1, basketball equals 2, and football equals 3. So now we're just going to create an object of this enumeration. Now object probably isn't the best word for that. Let's create a variable, a data type of this enumeration. So we'll just type private my sport as sports, and now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and create an event. So you can see that the default event handler is the selected index changed. Now you can come over here to the lightning bolt and change it, and you can select just one you want, but we're just going to use selected index change. So now what we're going to do is we're going to type my sport equals combo sports dot, and now let's go back here and we can look at our collection for combo sports. We got baseball, basketball, and football. So let's go ahead and click cancel there, and you can see that we have the same values set in here. Now let's start from counting from 0, because it's always good to count from zeros in programs, because that's how computers work. They start counting from 0. So my sport equals combo sports dot selected index. Now the selected index for combo sports starts at 0, which is going to be baseball. Then the next one up would be 1, and the next one after that would be 2. Now if no item in the combo box is selected, it's going to be equal to -1. So what we can do to handle any errors that might happen, we'll just type if combo sports dot selected index does not equal -1, then go ahead and do this. So we'll just cut that out right there and paste it in. Okay, so now that we've got which sport they collected, what we want to do is we want to analyze the sport when they click analyze the sport. So we'll just create a sub that will do that for us. So we'll go ahead and come down here below combo sports, and we will type private sub analyze sport, and we will just go ahead and by val sports list as sports. So basically we're passing an object of the sports data type, which is an enumeration. So now we're just going to use a select case statement. So select case, and we're just going to go through sports list. So we will type case so case is, and now what we can do is we can check to see if it's any one of the values in our sports enumeration. So the way we would do this is sports dot baseball. Let's try this again. Sports dot baseball. And we need to add an equals right here. That's what I was missing. Okay, so case is sport equals sports dot baseball. So if the sports list that they pass to it is equal to baseball, then we'll go ahead and type message box dot show your sport is baseball. And now I'll do case is equal to sports dot football. We don't want sports list, we want sports. So if it's equal to sports dot football, we will just type message box dot show your sport is football. And we'll do that one more time. So case is equal to sports dot basketball. And now we'll just use the shorthand for message box. So we'll just type message box your sport is basketball. And then we will do a case else. So then we'll just type message box you don't have a sport. Okay, so now if we go ahead and run this, we've got our combo box right here and nothing is selected. So if we click analyze sport, nothing's going to happen because we forgot something really important. When they click button analyze, we want to call analyze sport and then my sport. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run this. And you can see if there's nothing selected, it'll say, looks like we got a problem there. Let's go ahead and select baseball. So it'll say your sport is baseball. We select basketball, your sport is basketball. Football, your sport is football. So you can go ahead and try passing enumerations to subs and functions if you want. And you can even, I'll scroll up here so you can pause and look at this code if you missed some of it. Put that in, change some of the code, do whatever you want, and then move on to the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.